good one, babe.
That looks really good.
Honestly, worth it. Happy birthday! Ew. I don't know if you want to see. It's just, later has never come. Put it in the matrix. What went through my head?
Full little down, big butt and nice chest. Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to, oh, they can probably hear me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah if you're new here. I make new videos every Saturday. Yeah, I post new videos every Saturday, and today I'm gonna do a little few days in my life. It's Saturday right now, and it's gonna be 70 degrees today. We are gonna get some coffee and then head down to Market Street in Massachusetts and just, actually no, first we're going to Bagel World, which if you've ever been to Bagel World, like game changing. I can't wait, I haven't had it in like years and I'm really excited. Dylan's never been.
Nope.
Dylan's here, hello. Look, we're like opposites.
Boom.
Yeah, we're gonna get Bagel World and then we're gonna go walk around, and then tonight's my dad's birthday. So exciting things. I have the next 4 days off. I'm so excited. So let's do the thing.
What do you want? The hazelnut?
Yeah.
Can I get a 16-ounce hazelnut with almond milk? Ice, please. And a 24-ounce watermelon rush. That'd be it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You as well.
I didn't know those were the words though.
Really?
Yeah.
Truth be told, I'm lying.
Made it to Bagel World. Oh, because of the Nittany Lion. It's a good one, babe. Nah. Oops. Thank you. Oh my god, I can't get these in here. Weird. I guess over here?
Turkey sub of BLT on an everything bagel with
Got the goods. Oh shoot. Okay, everything just fell out of my purse.
Literally everything.
Literally my wallet fell on the ground.
Did you get it?
Yeah. I got it. Okay.
Let's open the windows because it's hot.
Oh.
But hole in here.
I'm so excited.
That looks really good.
Oh yeah, we're splitting. Okay, so we got onion with bacon and egg, and then everything like cream cheese. I haven't had a bagel in so long.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
Which one are you taking a bite?
Dylan's first Bagel World. I'll do the same as you.
Okay.
Ready? Oh, hot. Product.
It's good. I like ketchup on my eggs.
Oh, I forgot. Onion after ketchup. Onion's good.
want some RJ?
We made it to Market Street. I forgot to vlog, but we're in Nike right now.
Oh, sweet paper source.
So it's like 1 o'clock. We ended up leaving Market Street and we're getting gas right now before we head home. Just because I felt like there was more stores there before that I liked, and like there wasn't really any that I wanted to shop at. I guess I did go into Booty by Brian, I think it's called. Oh wait, you need money. Oh, thank you. And Francesca works there and we saw her and I completely forgot to vlog, so what a flop. But I tried on a few of their leggings. And now we're just gonna head home after we get some gas. That's it. Didn't get anything. We just got Bagel World today. So honestly worth the trip because Bagel World. Hi guys, it's much later, but we just pulled in to where we're having dinner for my dad's birthday, Patty B's. Where is my pocket with my mask? We're gonna go have some dinner. I just like went home and chilled for a little bit, laid down. Now I'm starving.
Cold pocket. You want me to take that?
Sure. Look at that development.
Huh? Yeah, this was all apple.
Oh, that's sad.
This is, I used to come here when I was a kid and go apple picking with my mom, and there was a hayride that would take you out there.
And this is like the farmhouse?
Yeah, I believe so.
Now it's an Italian restaurant. I think mom and dad are already here. We're actually late for once. Thank you. I'll be right with you, Bob. Hope that birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you, honey.
I almost wore my little black suit. It's almost exactly like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Jamie.
Thank you. This is yours. Oh, thanks. That's very nice of you.
She didn't do anything. I did it all.
Who says that too?
That's excellent.
I tried.
Just thought it would be fun.
Yep. Thank you.
And are you all done with this one too?
Here you go. Enjoy.
Could I?
What'd you get? Veal? Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday to
You're not singing.
you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5?
You're gonna be done in a while.
Are you 6? He tastes like one too, and you act like one too. Hi guys, it is Sunday now. It's like 2 o'clock. I just finished up my outfits of the week video, which was last week's video. If you guys haven't seen that, go watch that. I literally showed you every single outfit I wore Monday through Sunday. And I just showered and tanned, and now I'm going to wash our sheets and have some lunch and clean out my closet. So yeah, this morning we slept in and watched Scandal all morning. So now it's time to get up and get a few things done. But yeah, I just put on some sweats. I'm obsessed with this cropped sweatshirt that was literally Dylan's friend's that I'm like, Dylan had it for like at least 2 years, I feel like, and I just cropped it a few weeks ago. But I'm gonna go make some lunch and then clean up my closet. Okay, I'm gonna clean up my closet. I don't know if you want to see. I personally think it's really boring to watch, but if it'll motivate you to go clean out your closet, then let's freaking do it. Step 1, podcast.
But when she was talking about
Step
touching,
2.
she's like, I literally will like turn my phone off, put it on silent, whatever.
Does anyone else have the issue that like they can't get rid of stuff because they're like, well, what if I'm gonna need it? later. Later has never come. I've had most of these clothes for like too long, but like what if I need it later in life? Like, for a prime example, these 2 jackets. Okay, this one I'm probably literally never gonna wear. I don't think I ever even wore it, so bye. But I could sell that on Poshmark. That thing's cute. This one I used to wear a lot. I just don't think it's me anymore. I don't know if it was ever me, but like, the thing is I also don't want to try everything on because I have tanner on and because I'm lazy. Like, it's kind of cute with like a sweatshirt. But now I'm like, this would be cute with a sweatshirt and leggings, but am I ever gonna wear this? Probably not. We'll put it in the maybe pile. I feel like I have to sneeze. I think my allergies are starting. Okay, now we're left with the aftermath. It feels so good to get rid of all of these clothes that I literally was telling Dylan yesterday. I think I've had some of these clothes since college, which seems like a not far away thing, but I graduated college like coming up on 3 years ago. And I'm not even talking like senior year of college. Like some of the stuff I've had for a long time. Definitely got this on like my 19th birthday. I'm about to turn 25. This I've had since high school. I think I literally wore once. Like, what the heck was I thinking? What went through my head when I was like, oh, let's get this? I think I'm gonna try to post some of the stuff on Poshmark. I've never really done that because I feel like by the time I get rid of clothes, they're not selling worthy. But like the jackets I showed you at the beginning, the red leather jacket, the blazer, like some of that stuff. Sorry if you can hear Dylan playing video games. Some of that stuff, like, people might buy. Like, I'm literally gonna do it like dirt cheap. Like, so if you want any of this, so this is probably gonna keep me busy for the next at least hour.